Alright, so I wanted to show you guys what I pack my husband's lunch and water in, because I always get questions. I've been doing these lunch videos literally since I think 2013, so 8 years. And I always get questions about what I pack his actual lunches in. So this is his work cooler. This is just the Igloo brand. We got this in 2014, I think at Target or Walmart. It's actually really easy to clean. Once a week, I scrub it down in the sink with just hot, soapy water. Same with the water cooler. It's the Bubba brand. We got this at Target as well back in 2014. This thing I scrub every night just because it's a water cooler. So I just scrub this every night, maybe every other night, or obviously as needed. And these have served us very well the past, 7, 8 years. But I just wanted to mention that really quick. So if anybody had any questions, this is what we use. Good morning, guys. It is Monday, February 15th, 2021. I am starting to roll out lunch videos again. I have taken a long break from them only because my husband's mainly been eating lunch at home with me, and we normally eat leftovers. So since I do dinner videos, I didn't want to just show leftovers because you've already seen them in the dinner videos. I hope that makes sense. But anyways, today my husband is starting a big job. He is a self-employed contractor, and he got a big job that's going to last at least 5 to 6 months. So at the very minimum, there'll be a lot of lunch videos coming. I don't know that I'll film a lunch video every single week, but I will be filming them pretty regularly, right on the regular basis, so you guys will be able to have new lunch videos to watch. If you're new here to my channel, I do have an entire playlist of these types of videos linked down below in the description box, from spanning over many years, so hundreds of videos. But let's get started with what he's bringing today. I already showed you the work cooler and the water cooler. So in addition to the water cooler, he's bringing a ginger ale and then one of these Superior Hydration fruit punch flavor in the Body Armor. These are some cheese wraps. So the actual wrap is made of cheese. I actually kept it out. They're mozzarella cheese wrap, so you use them like a piece of bread or a tortilla wrap. I get these from Aldi. And then inside the wrap, I put this chicken breast. It's just rotisserie seasoned chicken breast, also from Aldi. And then as a dip, I put the dip on the side so it wouldn't get soggy. I'm using this Frank's Red Hot Buffalo Ranch thick sauce. I have it upside down because it's getting towards the bottom, so he can just dip the little rolls in the Frank's. I also am giving him some deviled eggs. I made a whole batch of them yesterday on my food and meal prep for the week. Also a Choi Bani flip in the almond Coco Loco. This one is coconut low-fat Greek yogurt with honey roasted salted almonds and dark chocolate. I have to throw in a spoon. A banana, one of these Jack Link's 100% beef steak like strip. These are 12 grams of protein. They're actually really good. A Pringle individual little cup, and that is everything. He does have coffee before he leaves for work, and he brings coffee on the road, and then he eats breakfast right before he leaves. So this is going to be plenty of food for him to spread out throughout the day. Usually, from what he tells me, he'll eat like the banana, around maybe, I don't know, 9, 10 o'clock in the morning. Right now it is 5:45 in the morning, so he'll eat this around like 9 or 10, and then around like noon he'll pretty much eat everything else, and then he wraps up his work day. Depending on the job, Now probably he'll wrap up his workday around 4 because he has an hour drive home, and he does start work really early. But that's the general rundown. I hope you guys enjoyed today's lunch, and we'll see you tomorrow on Tuesday. Good morning, it is Tuesday and I'm getting ready to pack up Matt's work cooler. Today I'm giving him a Dr. Sparkle, which is like a dupe for Dr. Pepper from Price Chopper or Market 32. Another of these Body Armor Fruit Punch in Superior Hydration. I got like an 8-pack of these, so he'll be having these for 8 days, 8 lunches. The hot entree meal you saw me put in here, I just put some hot boiling water in here. I let it sit for about 10 minutes with the lid on so the inside could get really hot and really absorb the heat. And then I just dumped the hot water out and immediately put the hot food in. It was just some leftover sausage and peppers that I fried up to reheat. So I got, I just got everything really hot, put it in, and then you put the top on immediately, of course. A fork so he can eat that. A Choi Bonnie Flip yogurt in the strawberry cheesecake. This is strawberry low-fat Greek yogurt with graham cookie, creamy frosting chunks, and coated Rice Crisps with a spoon. He'll probably have this like in the morning. And then some more of the deviled eggs from the batch I did on Sunday for food and meal prep. One of the P3 turkey, almonds, and Colby Jack little portable snack plates packs. These have 13 grams of protein in them, and I buy the multi-pack. It's like 5 in a box. And then lastly, some just Lance brand peanut butter and honey crackers. I absolutely love these. They're really tasty, and Grady likes them as well, so we all just eat them for snacks. So this is what he's taking today, and we will see you tomorrow. Good morning. It is Wednesday morning, and I'm about to pack up Matt's work cooler, and I wanted to share what he was bringing today. So I picked this bento box up. It's the Sistema brand. I have a lot of their lunch products. I have all different lunch cube containers like this one, but just different configurations and different side packing containers. I just really like this brand. So I found this at Walmart, but I did look online, and Amazon does carry it for the same price. And if you're a Prime member, it's obviously free 2-day shipping. So I will link in the description box down below this exact lunch container. I think they have a few different colors as well. So anyways, it was 10 bucks at Walmart. I really like the design of it. So there's this green tray. You can see there's like a little tab here. There's a green tray that pulls up, so it's double layered. Same right here. So starting on the top tier, I guess, there are 2 of these mozzarella cheese wraps with the rotisserie style chicken inside. You can just see it peeking out. A Colby Jack cheese stick, a couple of the deviled eggs. This is double tiered as well. So underneath here there are some like cherry, I'll show you. They're like these angel sweet cherry tomatoes. They're really sweet. And then some like salami slices, hard salami slices. So I just put the eggs on top so nothing gets, mixed together. And then it comes with this side container as well. What's nice is you can just use the compartment if you don't want to use the side container. But I just have like a cutie orange peeled in here and ready for him to eat. And then on the bottom tier, I just have a good old PB&J peanut butter and jelly sandwich, crunchy peanut butter and strawberry jelly. And I just have it on the Sara Lee butter bread, which is what we've been liking lately. So that all fits nicely in the cube here. So that's great because it's compact. I have a Roaring Waters berry flavored juice, a Dr. Thunder, which is like a dupe for Dr. Pepper, some Juicy Burst little fruit snacks here, one of these Italian style like little beef sticks. The brand is, I don't even know. Chomps is the brand. And then one of these Slim Fast keto fat bomb bars. It's like a meal replacement bar. It's supposed to be like really filling. This is in the peanut butter and chocolate flavor, I think. What does it say? Whipped peanut butter and chocolate. And then some peanut butter crackers from Lance. It's peanut butter and honey. But that's his lunch today on Wednesday, and we'll see you tomorrow. Good morning. It is Thursday, and I'm getting ready to pack up Matt's work cooler. I'm using my original Systema lunch cube today. This is the first one I ever purchased a couple years ago, and I actually have 3 of these total. One for my husband, myself, and my son when we all need them as a family. So the sandwich here, it's hard to see when it's in the cube, but it is mayo, roast beef, it's rare roast beef, some bacon, and Swiss cheese, which is one of my husband's favorite sandwiches ever. So it just fits perfectly in here, and then it locks down, and then it folds into a cube. The other side here, I have some cut up celery sticks and some Jif to go, just creamy peanut butter dip to dip the celery in. And on the other side here, it has a divider. I just have some hard salami, some pepperoni. There's a pepper jack or habanero pepper jack cheese stick on the bottom, and then a few of those Angel Sweet little tomatoes. And then this folds right over like that and clicks, and it's just nice and compact. I will leave a link to this down below in the description box as well. For drinks, we have the Body Armor Superior Hydration Fruit Punch, a Berry Roaring Water Capri Sun, one of these Yoplait Original Strawberry Yogurts with a spoon, a Jack Link's Beef Jerky, the high protein, and then one of these Juicy Burst little fruit snacks here. We all really like these, and just a banana. So pretty easy, simple lunch today, and we will see you tomorrow. Hey guys, good morning. It's Friday. We made it to the end of the work week. Today I'm giving Matt a vitamin water in the tropical mango flavor. I grabbed a bunch of different drinks like this at Market 32. They were having a sale, 10 for 10, and then I had some points to use up, so I ended up paying like 50 cents per drink. I got some, or I'm giving him some Capri Sun Roaring Waters in the berry flavor. The wrap here is on this spinach wrap. Let me show you what brand. It's the Cedars spinach wrap. Usually I get the Mission wraps at Walmart, but like I said, I had to go to Market 32. I had some points to use up that were going to expire, so I was able to get these cheaper as well. I think the normal price is like $2.99, but with the points they ended up being like $1 something. I also put some little Angel Sweet Cherry tomatoes on the side. And on the wrap is rare roast beef, Swiss cheese, iceberg lettuce, and some mayo. So similar to yesterday's sandwich, but in a wrap form and no bacon. Some crisp green grapes, also I picked up at Market 32 yesterday. A P3 protein pack, turkey, almonds, and Colby Jack in these little snack tray here. A peanut butter and honey cracker from Lance, and a blueberry Nutri-Grain bar that Grady picked out, but we all ate them. And that's everything for lunch today. I hope you guys enjoyed this lunch video. If you did, make sure you share it and like this video. I am going to keep on filming them, so hopefully you are excited. I know so many of you guys ask me to do lunch videos. I do have a whole playlist linked down below. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.